morning to one and all. This is Dr. K. Pushpa Rani, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, MLR Institute of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the relations in discrete mathematics. So what is meant by relation? So what are the representation of relation? And we'll discuss one example whether these statements are in the form of relation or not. So what is the definition of relation? Any set of ordered spaces defines a binary relation. Binary relation means there is a connective between two pairs. There is a connectivity between two pairs. There is a father and mother. Father, mother. So father, mother, there is a relation called that is a wife and husband is a relation. That means there are two pairs is connected by using a relation, two pairs. For example, daughter, father. Father, daughter. So what is the relation? Relation is a daughter is a relation. Daughter is a relation. Son, or it is a X and Y. X is a father and it is a son. So for this is a two X and Y or the two pairs having the relation, that is a relation. So that maybe that relation is represented between two pairs. That's why it is called as a binary. That means there are two pairs are present in the relation. That's why it is called as a binary relation. Binary relation representing the relationship between two sets of elements. That relation is represented by using the pair called X, Y belongs to R. That means X, Y is nothing but two set of elements that belongs to R means there is a relation will be exist between two pairs that can be written as X or Y. Here R is a relation. R is a relation. That means it can also be read it as X is in relation of R with Y. X is in relation with R with Y. Now let us consider. So let A, B are the two sets. Then a binary relation can be represented as A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Here X is nothing but a subset. X is nothing but a subset. What is the binary relation? The relation which is exist between two sets of elements is called as a binary relation. Consider the example. So here P is a set of people and C is a set of cars and D is the relation describing which person drives which car. Which person drives which car. Here the driving is a relation. Driving is the relation between the people and car. People is one set. Car is another set. There is a relation is exists between two people. For example, car Mercedes. That means Carl drives Mercedes. Carl drives Mercedes. Then Susanne drives Mercedes. What is the relation? Driving. Then Susanne drives BMW. Then Peter drives tricycle. So these are the called as a relation. These are called as a relation. So this what is the relation? Car is one pair. Mercedes is another element. X and Y relation is a driving. X and Y, the relation is a driving is the relation. So in the case of Carl does not drive any of these vehicles. Okay. Suppose if a Carl is there. So Carl drive Mercedes but Carl does not drives BMW and tricycle. That means there is no relation because the Carl does not involve in the BMW and tricycle. There is no relation of those two vehicles. Consider, so what is the definition of domain and what is the definition of range? Let S be the any relation. The domain of the relation is depends upon the set of all the first elements in the ordered pair. That is also belongs to S. So it is denoted as D of S. D of S is nothing but the set of elements which is to be denoted. D of S is the set of elements. X is the element which is present at the first elements of the ordered pair. So x comma y is a relation. X comma y is a set of ordered pair that belongs to the set of elements. Among all the elements, the first element in the relation is called as a domain. The first element is called as a domain. The element which is present on the second, that is called as a domain of S and then range of X. X comma y is the set of ordered pair. The second element in the relation is called as a range. For example, x comma y belongs to S for some x. Then we are going to consider only the second element in the set of ordered pair. The second element in the list is called as a range. Example, A equal to 2, 3, 4, B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to define the relation from A comma B, that is belongs to A divides the relation. Divides the relation, we have to form some set of ordered pair. That means, so 2 divides 4, 2 divides 6, 3 divides 3, 3 divides 6, 4 divides 4. Like that we have to create some ordered pair. The relation is divides. These are the set of ordered pairs which are present in the relation. Then what is meant by domain? The first element in the set of ordered pairs is nothing but a domain. What is the first element? 2 is the first element. 2. Next, in the second order pair, what is the first element? 2 only. It is already written, no need to write one more time. Next, 3. 3 is a domain. Next, again 3, no need to write. Again 4. So 4, 2, 3, 4. Next, what is the range? Means the second element which is present in the set of ordered pairs is nothing but a range. What is the second element? 4, 6, 3. That is written in order 3, 4, 6. Okay. Again 6, 4, it is already repeated. 3, 4, 6 is the range. So what is meant by domain means in the set of ordered pairs, the first element is called as a domain. In the set of ordered pair, the second element is called as a range. So now what is the this summary we are going to discuss about relations. What is the definition of relation? How to form the relation? Then what is meant by domain? What is meant by range? We can understand with the help of example. Thank you.